In a busy school, there was a classroom known for noise and trouble. Students talked loudly, ignored lessons, and never listened. Teachers came and left, but nothing changed. One day, a new teacher named Miss Hannah arrived. She was calm and soft-spoken. On her first day, she didn't shout or punish anyone. She simply stood silently and looked at the students. The room slowly became quiet. Miss Hannah wrote on the board, "Why are you here?" She asked each student to write their answer. Some wrote, "Because of parents," others wrote, "No choice," and a few wrote, "To learn." Miss Hannah read the answers and said, "This classroom is silent because no one is listening to themselves." Every day, she started class with a short story or question. Students began thinking instead of shouting. Slowly, the classroom changed. One boy named Samir, who was always angry, began to open up. He shared his problems and felt heard for the first time. At the end of the year, the class became the best in the school, not because they were the smartest, but because they learned how to listen. Moral: real change begins when we listen, not when we shout. Subscribe for more interesting stories.